Hello, Woody.
Kleiny? Where am I?
You're dreaming, Woody. We're in your dreams.
Wow. So if I'm dreaming, I could create anything I want.
Sure.
Then I want a TV box that requires no dish, just straight to my TV over Wi-Fi.
Okay.
And the setup to be easy, just like plug and play straight out of the box.
Interesting.
And I want it with me as soon as possible. Next day delivery.
Well, here it is.
Wow, my dream TV box. Such a shame it's not real.
Well, I got news for you. It's not a dream. It's the SkyStream.
Thanks, Kleiny.
What was that?
Nothing, mate.